by law, what is your landlord required to do? What are they responsible for?
Well, they have to do a few things. They have to keep the property livable. They're going to have to provide you a garbage can, just very simple things. And if there are problems that go on, they need to address them. And then also they have to protect your right to live in the property as against other people who come in. You know, squatters can't take over your place of residence.
Okay.
Talk to our viewers just a minute about, you said they have to keep the property livable. What does that mean?
Well, you know, that means it needs to keep it up to the building and housing codes that apply in your locality. Typically, if you have major damage to the property that makes it hard for you to live there, the landlord's going to have to fix that unless, of course, you caused it.
Let's say that I'm renting a place and there's mold coming in from, I don't know, I noticed it in the air conditioning vents. All right, and that's something that could cause a health and safety risk, you know, to me or my family. What should I do if I'm a tenant?
The first thing you should do is put it in writing. The first thing in any situation when you're having a problem with your apartment is to put it in writing. It is not okay to call the landlord and say, this needs to be fixed, this needs to be fixed. Once you put it in writing, the clock starts on the landlord, and they will have about 14 days to fix whatever problem they find. And if they don't fix it within those 14 days, you can terminate the lease and leave.
And then you won't have to pay if you terminate the lease because of something like that, because you can't live in the place?
Exactly. If they have failed to fix it, something that's not a catastrophic loss. So let's say you came through, the tornadoes came through and it was absolutely unlivable, then you could leave immediately. But if it's something that could be fixed and the landlord fails to do that within 14 days, you can terminate the lease and leave.
Okay, great.
All right.
Thank you.
We've got